Introducing Promptmate's blog article SEO analysis template.
Your one-stop solution to analyze your blog articles' KPIs, compare them to the ranking articles, and extract meaningful data for blog improvement and growth.
Get started by clicking on Use Template. Then on Google Search Console, click Export and then open on Google Sheets. Open the spreadsheet you just downloaded and click on the Pages tab. Then proceed by downloaded the file as a CSV. Then go back to Promptmate. First, switch to CSV input and upload the Google Search Console CSV file you just downloaded.
To analyze all your blog article URLs, click on Bulk Run. Once the results are ready, you will see that Promptmate first analyzed each one of the Google Search Console KPIs such as number of clicks, impressions, click-through rate, position. Once that is done, it will give you optimization recommendations. In a second step, Promptmate will make a smart move by extracting your article targeted keyword. Then it will take that keyword and check Google search results pages. In a third step, Promptmate will grab the highest ranking article for that keyword and compare it to your article, to give you meaningful and useful insights and recommendations for you to understand what you can do next to improve your blog. This includes even comparing content length thanks to our content count data extender. Now here comes the magic. Your CSV contained all your blog article URLs in it. So Promptmate will do this for all your articles simultaneously thanks to its bulk processing features. Now you can download your results as a CSV file or open directly on Google Sheet. Once you open your downloaded results, you will be able to see the analysis for each blog article URL. For an optimal experience, we recommend you to customize your final file so that it displays 4 columns: your article URL column, KPI interpretation column, keyword column, and comparison versus the highest ranking article column. Thanks to this template, you can do all this in minutes instead of actually spending days and days to extract meaningful data from all your previously published articles. All you need is your Google Search Console CSV and Promptmate. For more information, visit promptmate.io. The only tool you need to skip to the finish line.